Hi crafters, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and I'm just coming along to share with you how I created this little card. I'm going to give you a close-up here. Had so much fun making this, and if you are not familiar, then just to let you know, this is Winston from Tim Holtz for Sizzix, one of the new colorized dyes that were released this year, 665569. These are dyes that are quite elaborate. They have a lot of layers, as you can see, but I think the results are well worth it. I also used for this card a Cuttlebug embossing folder that I've had for many years, and it does the wood kind of paneling. For the words, I use the Sizzix Happy Holidays set here. That is called 660976. This was actually Holiday Words 2, and this is an older set. The colors that I used were from Ranger Oxide, Broken China, Cracked Pistachio, Fired Brick, Frayed Burlap. This is becoming a new favorite. And then another embossing folder that I used also from Tim Holtz Alterations is Merry Christmas and Vintage Holiday Set. So I used the Vintage Holiday Set out of here, and this is old from Tuesday morning, I think. And I also used from this set here, which this one is Cozy Winter. I used only the little snowflakes, and then I also used this little tree that I have hanging out somewhere. I've used or shared, I'm sorry, in a separate video, and I have it laying about, but I can't find it at the moment. But in any case, that's not important. And I use Nuvo products, so I use shimmer powders. One of them was the Jade Fountain, is how I got some of that background, and I also used Nuvo glitter drops, and this one is White Blizzard for the snow. And I also used my, let's see here, little diamond dots. So I went ahead and I went in with a little navy color and also a blue. I used blue. It might have been, I think it was this one, 8133. I don't know if the caps are on right. So, but in any case, I also used some little pink ones here, and I also used watercolor paper for the actual snowman, the background of the snowman, the trees, and for that background, that's that minty green, I paper that I did dry emboss with the wooden embossing folder from Doris. It's just a wooden one there, and I really love the results of this. So if you want to stay tuned and see the process, I'll show everything. I think except the background, it's just going to be the assembly of the snowman. But of course, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And thank you for watching, and be inspired and be blessed. Bye bye.